Air fried grilled cheese. Why didn't I think of this sooner? I think I did. I made variations with sausage or whatever. Probably Spam. Anyway, today I'm going to have, for New Year's Eve, grilled cheese in the Power XL air fryer. I don't know if you noticed I printed a 3D model of myself the other day. Maybe you saw that video. He says it's time to eat. I'm going to butter the bread with butter on one side, just on the outside. So we're going to make 4 sandwiches. Okay, so that's easy. Let me butter this quick and I'll be right back. All buttered up, no place to go. I'm going to put 2 slices of American cheese on the non-buttered side. So let me get my racks out first. These are going to be hot when they're done, so be careful. Okay, butter side down. 1 slice of cheese, 2, then the top. I might be able to get more than 2 on one rack, but I'm just going to go 2 on a rack, alright? Because I'm going to do 2 levels. Nice thick American cheese. I was thinking about sprinkling some of this on. It might blow off, but the butter might help it to stay on. That's going to be interesting. It might brown up. Double grilled cheese. What do you think? I'll just do these on 2. And then I'll leave the other 2 just buttered. Oh, it's making a mess too, but that's okay. Oh, it's a holiday, remember? Press them down. Second to the bottom. Look at that mess. We'll see what happens. Comes right off. Cleans up. That's crooked. Like that. It cleans up easy. You get the idea. Hang on. And you got this in the bottom. Next, just regular old-fashioned grilled cheese here, without the extra sprinkles. See that? Let's go up a level. All right, look at that. Nice. Easy. You see them? They look good? Mm-hmm. I'm going to push the French fry button, which is 400 degrees, for 7 minutes. And I'm going to keep an eye on it. We want to get it nice and golden brown. Alright, 7 minutes is not long to wait. See how it looks. You can see in there a little bit. Cheese is dripping down. I think we have about 2 minutes left. If 7 minutes wasn't long enough, I'm going to go in for a couple more minutes. You know how I like them. Golden brown, crunchy, cheesy. It's going to be interesting to see this on top, isn't it? That might brown up too. This is a snack before the snacks. Could be lunch, supper, breakfast. Gonna put some bacon in there, you know. Starting to smell cheesy now. That's a long 2 minutes. I think it's stuck. 1 minute. Time to eat. When it beeps and the time is up, the fan will still run for 20 seconds to let it cool itself down. See, it says off right now. The fan will still run for 20 seconds, but I can look inside. What do you think? Take a peek. Ooh, you might like them just like that, right? You? Oh, that one's gonna go a little more though. I think the top looks good. Do you want to eat these right now? You like them like that, don't you?
Yeah.
Let's put them on a plate. Let's go another. Well, we can each have one of these, and then we can each have fresh French fries again. We can each have one with the sprinkled cheese on top. I just looked at the other side. Ouch! I think I should flip them over, don't you? If I didn't have 2 layers in there, it might have browned both sides. But that's how we learn. Going in. Maybe I should flip them over too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, this is closer to the top, that's why. Ooh! Ah! That smells real cheesy.
Mm-hmm.
Ah! That. And that. I should have put the bottom on top and top on the bottom. Anyway, this is my first time making grilled cheese in the Power XL Pro. It's gonna be good, I know it is. Isn't it? Mm-hmm. Now when you make yours, after watching this video, you can go for 7 minutes, turn it over, and go for another 5. We'll see. Let's look at the top. Ooh, they're beautiful. Oh, I like it like that. I like it. Put them aside for now. Let's look at the bottom. Mmm. They're probably okay. What do you think? Remember I flipped those over? They had that sprinkled cheese on top.
They look good.
Oh. While we eat the first 2, let me put them back in because you know how I like them. Sometimes you get a glare up here from the light, but we try to avoid that. Look at this. Hot. Mmm. You want yours cut?
Okay.
Look at that. You're gonna have to take a bite.
Really good.
I like the brown cheese that dripped out and burned on the side, on the edges. Mmm. 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 All right. Here, I'll give you the door. Since it's New Year's Eve.
Thank you.
Mmm. Mmm. How's that for convenience? Oh. Oh. Woo. Yeah. Okay. Now the reason I didn't know the exact times right away is because we have 3 cookbooks that came with this, and we bought a big cookbook made just for this air fryer, and there was nothing in there about grilled cheese. What do you think of that? So these are the ones with the sprinkled cheese on top. I'm gonna eat one of them. See it, a little toasty. I could have flipped them over again, but it's good. Nice and buttery. Oh, mmm. Mmm. Delicious. So give this a try. It's so good and easy. It's one of the easiest things you can make in there. Bread and butter and cheese. We want to wish you all a happy New Year. It's New Year's Eve right now. Maybe when you're watching this it's not, but I hope you're in a better year when you watch this. Hope we have a great new year. Right?
That's right.
Thanks for watching all our channels all year. We appreciate you. I'm going to finish eating this. This is our supper before our snacks, right? We're going to have a snack party later, that's all.
The 3 snacks.
All right. Talk to you soon. Happy
New Year.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye. Oh, that's so good. All right, eat yours. Mmm.